How to add Cash App card to Apple Pay. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys quickly how you can easily do this. So let's just jump right into it. First thing you have to do is open up your Cash App application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see the card icon right below your balance. So go ahead and tap on that card icon. Once you get here on the cash card section, just scroll down a bit until you find something called Add Card to Apple Pay. From here, you could directly add your card to Apple Pay, so just tap on it. And then here, you're just going to have to enter your name and your card number that's connected to your account, and then tap on Next. From here, you'll be shown a terms and conditions, which you are going to have to agree. So tap on Agree. Once you've read through all of the terms and conditions, it will ask you to set this as your default card and wallet. You can do this as if you want, but you can skip it as well. So it's totally up to you. Then tap on next. And now as you can see, it says your cash card has been added to your Apple Pay, but if you want to remember your PIN, it's the same one that you use in the Cash App. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.